here wishes we humans could auto-scale? Oh, see, we cannot, but we can use lessons to grow teams in tech, lessons that worked in a crunch and help even in steady times. Even with AI, building systems takes machines and humans. As systems grow, you need more of both, sometimes fast. Machines auto-scale with ease. Humans, not simple. Want to see what that looked like? Picture it, new team with no systems, roughly 6 months to an immovable deadline. We went from 4 engineers to 15 and launched 3 systems, 1 used heavily. It was intense. Tech speeds up teams, and teams speed up tech. But growing both at the same time can be tricky. Fall out of sync, you get silo, slowdown, and friction. To keep up the pace, scale in sync. Scaling can tempt us to push folks harder or just add more hands. But scaling well meant good groundwork, a toolkit, and enabling people to grow, all built on effective communication. Effective communication matters throughout. It drives understanding, alignment, and feedback. Make it open, timely, through the right venues, and recurring. Write it down when you can, and be ready to repeat it. On to groundwork. First up, clarity. What's the goal? What systems will support it? What's your start? Do you have any tech? Clarity helped focus effort and build progress from the start. Skills and people are needed to meet those goals. What do you need? What do you have? Filling skill gaps can mean hiring. It can also mean upskilling. Either way, identify the gaps and work on them. If you do need more people, hiring is not the full answer. There's also onboarding, training, and retention work. We thought through the who, full-time or contractor, their skills, and how to get them productive. With the groundwork laid, we used a toolkit to get from where we were to our goal. I'll go through some of the tools. We will focus on priorities, decisions, processes, and plans. Let's dig in. When everything's a priority, work stalls. But clear priorities drives progress. What won't we do? What will we do? What's later? What's now? Limit work in progress, finish tasks, and build on results. Indecision stalls. Key is making right calls at right time with right people and then taking action. We had to make decisions fast, often with missing or uncertain info. Decide and move. Too much process stalls progress. Too little causes confusion. We right-sized processes, helpful, not heavy. We built plans collaboratively, and we improved processes and plans as needed. Small moves made a big difference. I protected focus so teams could build. I named the chaos to help calm stress. We celebrated wins to lift morale. We made the work visible. Whole companies saw progress. Teams are how work gets done. Teams need clarity, focus, appreciation, and trust. I checked in live and through surveys, and we made time for team building because you know teamwork makes the dream work. Teams are made of people, humans with their own goals, strengths, and motivations, which I sought to understand. Even in a crunch, I tied short-term goals to long-term growth, and we enabled growth to happen. Burnout can come from many places. Clarity, alignment, focus, visible progress all help reduce the risks of burnout. And because we are human, rest and breaks matter too. The real outcomes? We went from 4 engineers to 15, and we launched 3 systems, one of which was a proxy that processed 230 million transactions in a 6-week period with no errors. Felt good. So, lay the groundwork, clear systems, goals, and skills, use a toolkit, priorities, processes, and plans, and decisions, motivate teams and people, ground it all in effective communication. Humans don't auto-scale. You cannot clone us, and you should not try. But we can lead in ways that help humans grow while building tech in teams. Thank you, DevOps Days DC, and happy 10th.